Are you feeling overwhelmed trying to eat healthy while juggling work, kids, and everything else? You're not alone. But what if meal planning could save you time and keep you on track? Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating a balanced diet plan, no stress, just simple solutions for busy lives. Before we dive into the plan, let's quickly break down why a balanced diet is key. It's not just about cutting calories, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients for energy, focus, and long-term health. Step 1. Portion control. A balanced plate is the foundation. Use the plate method: half veggies, 1/4 lean proteins, and 1/4 whole grains or healthy carbs. Step 2. Nutrient balance. Make sure to include a variety of nutrients. Mix proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbs to keep you full and energized throughout the day. Step 3. Easy meal prep. Planning makes all the difference. Prep your meals for the week so you don't reach for unhealthy snacks